So, hello everyone. We are going to solve the question max consecutive ones. Basically, it says that given a binary array, return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the given array. So basically, it says that how many times the maximum does it occurs. I think that's an easy question. Yeah, it's an easy as told by the tag. But I'll say I will just start reversing my array. Right? So I'll say that if I will keep a record of maximum now. So I'll say, okay, if I find a one, right? If I find, if I find, I will just have my previous. I have one as a maximum and one as a current. One I have a maximum, one I have as a current. So basically, I will say that, okay, if I find a one, I will do current plus one. So basically, what I will start reversing. Okay, I'll say current plus plus, then I'll say current plus plus, right? I have done this. And every time I will say maximum is equals to max dot current, right? Then if I found an element, I will say that, okay, now current is 0. So now I will find, I will say 1, I will say just current plus 1. And I'll say current plus plus plus. Now I again find 2. By this, when I was here, my current would have been updated in the maximum, right? So basically what I am doing, I am saying I have my current, I have my maximum variable. I have two variables, current and maximum. Initially, both are initialized by 0. So I'll say that, okay, if I find a 1, I will just do current plus plus. And if I find a known one, I will say my current is equals to 0, right? And I will iterate through the loop. So basically, this is the condition. So here it will say current equals to 1. And every iteration, I will just update my maximum. My final answer, basically, you say, you can call it global max. So global max is maximum of my current and my previous global maximum. So that I don't miss a single jump. So I current 1 1. Okay. Here I will say current equals to 1. Now my maximum was 0. It will be updated to 1. So now I find a known one element. I will say, okay, now my current is equals to 0. I need not update here. So now I find again. So I will say just current plus plus. Again I will check. Okay, my global maximum was greater than current. It is equal. So no. Now I will again move to 1. I'll say current plus plus. Now current becomes 2. So my global maximum also becomes 2. Then I will again, oh now the current becomes 3. My global will again become 3. Here I will say my current becomes 0. But now global maximum will become 0. So this way I will find the maximum number of ones. So I have in max equals to 0 and current equals to 0, and I will do just nothing, and I equals to 0, and I plus plus. But I am saying if nums I equals to nums I equals to 1, I'll say current plus plus, and my max is equals to max dot max current comma max. Right? I'll say that just my current, change my current to 0. Okay, and then I will just say return my max. I think that's fine. Pretty fine. Let's try this. Work for this. This one as well. Let's try submitting it. Yeah, so it worked. Fine. So let's see you in the next video then. Bye.